Take a look at example 3. In this case, we will need to create a campaign for two separate display creatives and one for video creative. Each one has its own budget. The flight will last the same 10 days. How should we proceed with the setup? Pause this video for 1 minute and draw a sample structure for the given details. I hope you prepared with a sample campaign structure. Create a single campaign, single IO. Under this IO, create 3 line items and allocate their own budget for each line and assign creatives. Due to the fact that same media type creative is placed under single line item, let's add 2 display creative under the display line item and select creative rotation. And video line item is assigned with video creative. For display lines, due to the optimized rotation of creatives, one creative size may receive more budget while the another receives less. If you want each creative to spend exactly as planned, create them as independent line. Please keep in mind that examples shown in this video are only for knowledge purpose and could be beneficial to beginners to understand the topic. If you are working on this platform for first time, please take help of your senior colleague and proceed with the setup.